Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of SUVs and highlighting the 6 most overpriced models you should avoid right now. We're talking about vehicles that might tempt you with their flashy looks and promises of luxury, but when you crunch the numbers they don't quite hold up to their hefty price tags. I know everyone loves a good SUV. They're spacious, comfortable, and can handle just about anything, right? Well, that's what the marketing teams want you to believe. But the truth is, not all SUVs are created equal. Let's get started. First up, we have the Cadillac Escalade. Now I know what you're thinking, Doug, the Escalade is a classic. It's the epitome of American luxury. And you wouldn't be entirely wrong. It's big, it's bold, and it definitely makes a statement. But here's the thing. That statement comes at a hefty price, and I'm not just talking about the sticker shock. The Escalade starts at around $80,000, and that's before you start adding on any of the bells and whistles. For that kind of money, you're pushing into luxury SUV territory. But the Escalade doesn't quite deliver the same level of refinement as its European counterparts. Don't get me wrong, the interior is nice, but it's not $80,000 nice. The materials are good, but not great. And the technology can be a bit laggy and cumbersome to use. And then there's the fuel economy, or lack thereof. Let's just say you'll be making a lot of trips to the gas station. It's a perfectly capable vehicle with a commanding presence on the road. But is it worth the premium price tag? I'd argue no. Next we have the Lincoln Navigator, another American SUV that tries to compete in the luxury segment but stumbles when it comes to justifying its price. The Navigator does have a lot going for it. It's got a spacious and well-appointed interior, a powerful engine, and a smooth ride. It even comes with some impressive technology features like massaging seats and a 20-speaker sound system. But here's the catch. All of that luxury comes at a steep price. The Navigator starts at around $78,000. And that price can quickly climb into the 6 figures once you start adding options. At that price point, you're in direct competition with some serious heavy hitters in the luxury SUV segment like the Audi Q7, the BMW X7, and the Mercedes-Benz GLS. And frankly, the Navigator just doesn't quite stack up. Its interior materials, while nice, don't feel as premium as its German rivals. The technology, while impressive, isn't quite as intuitive or responsive. The Navigator is comfortable, but it's not exactly engaging to drive. So, while the Lincoln Navigator might tempt you with its American luxury and impressive list of features, I'd urge you to take a closer look at the competition before signing on the dotted line. The Mercedes-Benz G-Class, or G-Wagon, as it's affectionately known, is an icon. It's been around for decades, and its boxy, rugged design is instantly recognizable. It's the vehicle of choice for celebrities, off-road enthusiasts, and anyone who wants to make a statement. But that statement comes at a price, and I'm not just talking about the gas mileage. The G-Class starts at over $130,000, and that's for the base model. If you want the full G-Wagon experience, with all the bells and whistles, you're looking at a price tag that's well into the 6 figures. Yes, the G-Class is incredibly capable off-road. It can climb mountains, ford rivers, and traverse terrain that would make most other SUVs tremble in fear. And yes, the interior is luxurious, with high-quality materials and the latest technology. But the G-Class is also incredibly outdated. The ride is rough, the steering is slow, and the handling is not exactly sporty. For the average person who's just looking for a luxurious and capable SUV, there are better options out there. Chapter 4. Range Rover status symbol with sky-high costs. The Range Rover is synonymous with luxury and off-road capability. It's the SUV of choice for royalty, celebrities, and anyone who wants to project an image of success and sophistication. But that image comes at a cost, and I'm not just talking about the eye-watering price tag. Starting at around $92,000, the Range Rover is one of the most expensive SUVs on the market. And that's before you start adding on any of the options that Land Rover is notorious for offering. But the real cost of owning a Range Rover isn't the initial purchase price, it's the maintenance. Range Rovers are notoriously unreliable, and when something does go wrong, be prepared to open your wallet wide. Parts are expensive, labor is expensive, and you can bet that something will eventually go wrong. There are plenty of other luxury SUVs out there that offer similar levels of style and capability without the constant threat of financial ruin. Chapter 5. BMW X7. Feature-packed but pricey. The BMW X7 is the brand's flagship SUV. and it's designed to compete with the likes of the Mercedes-Benz GLS and the Cadillac Escalade. It's big, it's bold, and it's packed with features, but it's also very, very expensive. Starting at around $78,000, the X7 is one of the priciest SUVs in its class. Now, to be fair, the X7 does offer a lot for the money. It comes standard with 3 rows of seating, a powerful engine, and a luxurious interior. And BMW offers a wide range of options so you can really customize the X7 to your liking. But even with all the bells and whistles, the X7 still feels overpriced. The interior, while nice, isn't quite as luxurious as the Mercedes-Benz GLS. The ride, while comfortable, isn't quite as smooth. There are other SUVs in this segment that offer a better balance of luxury, performance, and value. Chapter 6. Lexus LX, Reliability at a Premium. The Lexus LX is known for its reliability. It's built like a tank and can probably survive a nuclear apocalypse. But that durability comes at a price, and I'm not just talking about the hefty sticker price, which starts at around $88,000. The LX is based on the Toyota Land Cruiser, a vehicle that's known for its off-road prowess and its bulletproof reliability. But while the Land Cruiser is a relative bargain, the LX is anything but. For the extra money, you get a more luxurious interior, a more powerful engine, and a few more features. If you absolutely, positively have to have the most reliable SUV on the planet, and you're willing to pay a premium for that peace of mind, then the LX might be the right choice for you. But if you're looking for the best value for your money, there are better options out there. You could buy a Toyota Land Cruiser and have enough money left over for a nice vacation. And there you have it, folks. Those are 6 of the most overpriced SUVs you should avoid right now. Remember, just because an SUV has a luxury badge or a hefty price tag doesn't necessarily mean it's worth the money. Do your research, compare prices, and don't be afraid to consider alternatives. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more car reviews and automotive insights. See you in the next one.